So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video we will cover the main highlight features and do an overview of Nikon's D610. Initially released in the fall of 2013, the Nikon D610 is the successor to the previously released D600. At its core, the camera is almost entirely identical to the predecessor with 4 major improvements to fix some of its shortcomings. It's a camera Nikon aims at beginning or amateur photographers, and one they aim to compete with Sony's A7 and Canon's 60D. It features the same 24.3 megapixel full-frame sensor and the X-Speed 3 processor. These combine to deliver excellent image quality and dynamic range. The camera also features a continuous burst rate of 6 frames per second, which increases to 7 frames per second when used in the DX crop mode. On the video front, it shoots 1080p Full HD video up to 30 frames per second and offers a clean and uncompressed HDMI output for use with external recorders or monitors. It has a 39-point autofocusing system with 9 points that are cross-type centered around the center of the frame for strong autofocusing performance and tracking of light motion. Battery performance is also excellent, delivering between 900 to 1,000 shots on a single charge. It has a native ISO range from ISO 100 to 64,000, and overall low light performance is excellent. It can easily deliver usable images up to ISO 3200 or 6400, where only moderate amounts of noise and color distortion occur. It features a 3.2-inch rear LCD and an optical viewfinder, and overall the design resembles mostly Nikon's D7100, as it features a similar magnesium alloy and polycarbonate plastic build, which combine to create a reliable overall build quality. And it too has a wide variety of physical buttons that provide direct and immediate control of all critical shooting functions. Outside of that, it also features dual SD cards, a microphone input, a headphone input, built-in time-lapse, and has a built-in flash. In the end, the Nikon D610 is a camera that has ample performance to meet the needs of enthusiasts thoroughly. With this camera, Nikon made what was already good about the D600 that much better. While its improvements are mostly subtle, this camera remains a solid contender for amateur or enthusiasts looking to purchase their first full-frame digital SLR. So there you have it, my friends. There are the highlights and overview of the Nikon D610. For more information on the D610 and other Nikon cameras, check out our website, photographypx.com. Go to our camera reviews page and then to the Nikon section, and there you will see a full detailed review as well as other reviews of cameras that may be of interest to you. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if I overlooked something or I missed something covered in today's video. This is Devaun Lennox. You know where to find us. Photography.